Hello everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and happy new year. Thank you guys so much for hanging in with me all of 2017, all of 2016, 2015, 2014. Thank you guys so much for just being there no matter the year. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I thank God so much that we're all still here for 2018. I don't know about y'all, but 2017 got a little real for me, as I'm sure it did someone else, but nonetheless we made it. So this video is not going to be very long. I just wanted to talk to you guys about my new word or phrase, sentence, however you want to put it, for 2018. I've had a lot of new beginnings as it pertains to friendships, relationships. Y'all, I've really started doing yoga. I've gotten back into kickboxing. So there's a lot of new things that are happening, and 2018 is not going to be any different. As you guys know, I am a graduate student and I graduate in May 2018. I'm going to get my first full-time professional job. I'm going to move away from home, like for real, and different things like that. So it's new starts, new beginnings, and I'm so excited and I'm ready. You know, just ready and very anxious, but I've been praying about that because, you know, God says be anxious for nothing, but in all things through prayer and supplication make your requests known to God. And so that's what I'm trying to focus on right now. But anyway, let's keep it pushing. So really quickly, like I said, I just want to talk to you guys about my 2018 word, phrase, concept, whatever, and it is staying true to myself. And that is something that I struggled with in 2017. But I think that's something that I really started to not master, but really develop strategies and methods to holding on to that, right? And so by staying true to myself, what I mean is it's staying true to myself, being comfortable in that, and all of those intersecting identities and what they mean to me. So also recognizing them, respecting them, staying true to them, standing on those morals and principles and values and my belief systems, and having confidence in that. And then also having enough love and respect and care about myself, and making sure that I maintain that in my environments, in my relationships, in whatever space that I'm in. Okay, and so to be a little bit more specific, this year I really got a chance to know myself and God on another level of who He is. And I think that's just because, you know, I've had a lot of, like I said earlier, broken relationships. So whether that's friendships or romantic relationships or just different things like that, I've spent a lot of quiet time in 2017, a lot of time by myself, thinking about what I want, who I am, where I'm going, and all of that. So when I say, you know, my staying true to myself, I had to really recognize who myself is. Like, what does that mean? And so I thought about my salient identities. And so that being, you know, that I am a Black, educated, intellectual, God-fearing woman who also has Native American ancestry, along with my values. Like, I value love. I value joy. I value my relationship with God. I value my family. I value goodness. Okay, I value justice. I value knowledge and education and being true to those things. And now that I know I'm pretty sure about what it is that I stand for and who I am and what makes me who I am, the next step is more so living these things out. And so other aspects of who I am, as far as like my skills and my talents and my gifts, and following my desires and my wants, and being okay with that, and not only being okay with it, but capitalizing on those things. Because I feel blessed to be in this spot because I'm only 23, but I know a lot of people who are past 23 and don't know who they are. They've never really accepted it, and they've never chosen to walk in that. And I think that we waste a lot of our time and energy seeing what other people are doing, wanting to be like other people, wanting to live out other people's goals and dreams and things like that. But it's like, I have my own. So being comfortable in that and saying that my dream is just fine, you know, and so is theirs, but understanding that my dreams, myself, my truths can exist among other people's, and also learning not to undermine my own so others can be comfortable while living in theirs. And so just owning my space and my energy and things like that. And so that is my goal for 2018. It's being true to myself. If it don't feel right, if it don't look right, if it doesn't align with everything I got going on right here, then I don't want no parts of it. That is for friends, men, jobs, hobbies, anything. Like, I don't want any parts of it, because let me tell y'all, I have also realized that peace of mind, okay, and your mental health, oh baby, there's no price tag on that, okay? And so I think that whole idea of me staying true to myself, I think it's gonna bring a lot of good things. In my mind, I don't see how it couldn't bring good things, because I'm staying in my lane, right? I'm doing what it is that I feel like I should do and what I believe in. So how can that not yield amazing results and outcomes, you know? Because also with a part of who I am, there is God. And so I'm like, well, as long as I'm sticking, you know, with him and doing what I need to do and being who I feel like he's made me to be, ain't no else. Ain't no else. I mean, things may not go the way I want them to go, but at the end of the day, I think everything will be okay. And so I wanted to just come on here and encourage you all to take advantage of not just the new year, because I think sometimes we can get hung up on that, like we can only start in January of every beginning year, which is not true, because every day is a renewed day and a new opportunity and a new chance to do something new, you know, something you've never done, and to change. And so aside from the new year, but it is fitting because it's, you know, the first few days of January, but to take advantage of your time, you know, take advantage of your skills and everything like that, because I am, and I would love for you guys to do it with me. So, and I hope you guys have a blessed year. And also in the comment section, I would love to hear some of the new things and new ideas or resolutions or words or phrases that you have going into 2018, because I'm here to support and encourage you. Ain't no shame, baby. You got goals, follow them, okay? I'm not mad at you at all. So I will see you guys really soon. Bye.